Hello all. Today let me explain to you how do you call a function with parameters. So let me define a function here. As in the previous video, we have said functions start with the keyword function in JavaScript followed by the name of the function. So here I have the function called sum, and since it has multiple statements that is to be executed in a function, I place a curly bracket. And now let me define a variable called s, which is equal to let me say n1 plus n2, where n1 and n2 are two variables. And let me also print the value of the sum. So I'll write document.write, and then I say the sum is followed by a plus symbol and then the variable s, which holds the value of the sum. I'll close the bracket to say that is the end of the process that the function does. Now, in order to this function be executed, I need to call the function. So let me call the function sum. So here I am using two variables n1 and n2 whose value is not defined here. I have not declared the variable n1 as well as n2, nor I have initialized the value of the variable n1 and n2 with some value. So in order to pass the values through the function call, let me pass two values here, 20 and 10. When I am passing two values, it is compulsory that the function definition should receive these two values. So let me receive these two values in two variables n1 and n2 because I am making use of n1 and n2 here. So I'm calling the function with two values, 20 and 10, that's the actual arguments, and then I'm receiving it in two variables n1 and n2. Let me save this function. I either use Control S or you can use this tool available here for saving. Now let me go back to my output to see the output. So I'll go to my page where I'll see the output. So I can see, I'll refresh the page. So I'll see that the sum is 30. So the sum of 10 and 20 is 30, which is visible here as the sum as 30. So herein the objective is to pass two arguments 20 and 30 and receive it in two variables n1 and n2 in the function. So this function has parameters, it is receiving parameters and it is processing the parameters and displaying the output. Now you might be wondering why is that I'm not using the keyword var to define this particular s to say that it is a variable. So if I define this here saying that s is of type variable, it becomes local to the function and it cannot be used anywhere outside the function. I also have an option not to declare it as var, which we will see in the next video, the difference between the local variable and the global variable. That's all for this session. Thank you.